Hello, my name is Aaron Schneider, owner of Itworks Office Products. I'm doing a demonstration on the MAX HD-10FL mini stapler. This is a stapler that uses flat clinch technology, which staples a staple completely flat on the back side of paper or coin flips. It's well known in the coin world as a very useful tool for putting together the 2x2 coin flips, which coin collectors use to hold their coins. A little cardboard holder for coins, and it, like I said, staples completely flat on the back side, which is important for serious coin collectors who have their coins in albums, and the normal staple is rounded in the back. So if it's in an album with a whole bunch of them and they're pressing together, you know, and that coin album's being used, those rounded parts will rub into the backs of other coins and actually can damage, either dent or scratch a coin, especially if it's a big album. So it's a very useful tool for a coin collector. It's a very useful tool for anyone, whether it's a home area or office area, especially someone who has a lot of stapling that they're doing, you know, day to day. I'm going to show you. This is 20 sheets of paper, 20 bond paper. I'm going to show you what this little stapler can do here. MAX HD-10FL uses twin lever technology, which actually reduces stapling effort by up to 50% compared to a normal stapler. So you can see how easy this stapler is stapling through 20 sheets of paper. This is definitely the easiest, best stapler I've ever used in my life. It's also virtually jam-free, so you don't have the headache of constantly struggling with having to pull a mangled staple out of some, you know, important paperwork or document that you were stapling together. It's very reliable. This is the MAX HD-10FL mini stapler. It's available at Itworks Office Products and on eBay. My user ID is Itworks Office Products. I sell these on eBay, and you can always call at 850-384-2700 if you'd like to purchase one of these. Thank you and have a great day.